The iPhone 17 Pro Max is set to introduce a fresh design language, with leaks shared by industry insider Majin Buu suggesting a horizontal camera bar for the first time. This aligns with the design leak of the iPhone 17 Air, hinting that the Pro models will follow a similar aesthetic. While some sources question the horizontal alignment, if accurate, it raises concerns about how spatial video recording will be handled. Apple may introduce new solutions to maintain functionality. But as of now, the change remains one of the most significant rumors surrounding the next-generation Pro models. A major camera upgrade is also expected, with all three rear lenses featuring 48-megapixel sensors. Unlike previous models, where only the wide and ultra-wide sensors had this resolution, the iPhone 17 Pro Max will include a 48-megapixel telephoto lens, significantly enhancing digital zoom quality. This could position Apple's camera system closer to competitors' capabilities, like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is known for its superior zoom performance. On the front, the device may introduce a significant camera upgrade, moving from the long-standing 12-megapixel selfie camera to a 24-megapixel sensor. This enhancement will likely improve FaceTime calls, selfies, and low-light performance. However, recent rumors suggest that the iPhone 17 Pro Max will feature a smaller dynamic island. This change is expected to be exclusive to the Pro Max, with no adjustments for the other 17 models. The new A19 Pro chip will power the iPhone 17 Pro Max, offering enhanced performance and efficiency. While Apple consistently pushes for better speed and AI capabilities, this chip is also expected to contribute to improved battery life. The Pro model may have a 3,700 mAh battery, while the Pro Max variant could feature a 4,700 mAh battery. All iPhone 17 models are expected to include internal design changes for improved heat dissipation. With advancements in power management, the A19 Pro could rival the latest Snapdragon Elite chipset, ensuring the Pro Max remains competitive in processing power and efficiency. In addition to this, memory upgrades are also in the pipeline, with the Pro models likely featuring 12 GB of RAM, aligning them with flagship Android devices like the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Additionally, Apple is expected to transition to in-house 5G and Wi-Fi 7 modems, replacing Qualcomm solutions. Materials used in the construction of the iPhone 17 Pro Max may also see a shift. Since the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple has utilized a titanium frame, but leaks suggest a combination of glass, aluminum, and titanium for the upcoming model. The exact proportions of each material remain unclear, but this hybrid approach could impact durability, weight, and overall aesthetics. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to launch in September 2025, following Apple's usual release schedule. Pricing details remain speculative, but given previous trends, the base model is likely to start at around $1,199, with higher storage options pushing the price further. If you're as excited as we are about the iPhone 17 Pro Max, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Apple's latest innovations.